run away. We come for better. We people they want for see what till we they do. We people they want for know what till we they say. Oh, we let we swallow. Oh, we let we swallow.
3 countries, 1 house, a dream prize that changes everything. Welcome to House of Stars, Season 3. Every move counts. Every glance tells a story. This is no ordinary house. It's a battlefield of ambition. Here, trust is currency, and betrayal is always one step away. This season, the stakes are higher. One winner will walk away with a brand new 3-bedroom duplex house, a car, $10,000 in cash. Audition forms available from now. You can get your audition form at King's Empire Hotel, 81 Lavuma Beach, Godrich. Live show starts 16th November 2025. Play nice or play dirty. Just make sure you're playing to win. They'll compete, they'll clash, and only one will become the star.
Salon, now we continue. Sweet salon, now we for try for build this country.
It is that time of the year again for the Global Spelling Bee in Dubai and the African Spelling Bee in Zimbabwe in October 2025 and March 2026 respectively. That is why ICBAI Sierra Leone Spelling Bee, in collaboration with Ministry of Basic and Senior Secondary Education and other partners, is requesting sponsorship to enable participants to represent Sierra Leone in these 2 championships, as education remains key to President Biya's Big 5 changes. ICBAI remains committed to inclusive and early child education through Spelling Bee. ICBAI Spelling Bee, the Global Award winner 2022-2024, the Best Speaking Program na Salon. For more information, contact us on 079-717762 or 078-186607. Sponsors: NATCA, New Brookfield Hotel, Sierra Leone Commercial Bank, Bank of Sierra Leone, Leon Rock, UTB, UNICEF, Rokel Commercial Bank, Plan International, SLBC, and
Today is Friday, the 3rd of October 2025. Well, this is how we welcome you to our breakfast show. Good morning, Sierra Leone, on the Sierra Leone Broadcasting Corporation. This is a show that starts to do with news analysis and views on current happening. I am your presenter, Emmanuel Samoa. Our quote of the day comes from Abigail Breslin, and it says, "Never let anyone try and make you tiny something that you're not. Remember what it is that you want, and always stay strong in that." That is a food for thought. Coming up in this program, Bekma Empowerment Initiative to celebrate and empower educationally marginalized girls in Sierra Leone. 2026 DV program is underway. The Sierra Leone qualified to play. And One World Group of the Redeemed Tabernacle Church to launch gospel music concert. All these and more are lined up in the next 1 hour in this particular show. Well, you can be part of this program by sending your text message on the number displayed on your screen, or join us on Facebook at Slbc Live. The program that you are watching is Good Morning Sierra Leone, coming to you live from the Sierra Leone Broadcasting Corporation.